Hello children, good morning. How are you? I am fine and myself Mrs. Geeta Mehta. I am your teacher of the day for EVS. Today I am teaching to class Nirman and subject is EVS. So, in which state do we live? We live in the state of Haryana. We live in Haryana. So, in which country do you live? Do you know that? We live in India. India is my country. So, my topic basically is my country. And do you know what is the capital of India? New Delhi. The capital of India is New Delhi. So every country has some symbols like that. India also have many symbols like flag, bird. So my today's tough words are new words for you that you might hear ever. And these words are flag. Do you know flag? F for flag. J से झंडा. And next words are aquatic. E-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic. Aquatic means water. Aquatic means water. You know animal also. Creatures and bird. A flying animal. A flying animal is called bird. So first I am going to tell you Indian flag. Which is Indian flag? Which is the national flag of India? It's tricolor. It's tricolor. The flag of India is in rectangular shape. It has 3 stripes. It has 3 stripes. First one is orange color and second one white and third one is green color. So, because it has 3 color, that's why we call it tricolor. So, which is the national flag of India? It's tricolor. Next, which is the national fruit of India? National fruit. Yes, national fruit of India is that. Most of you love that fruit and that is mango. National fruit of India is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. National fruit of India is mango. So now I am talking about national animal and national bird. National animal is tiger. What is that? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Have you seen the tiger? Tiger is a blue, orange and brown striped animal and it live in the forest. So national animal is tiger. Now national bird. National bird. Of course, India has a very beautiful bird as a national bird. National symbol. So that is peacock. P-E-A-P-C-O-C-K. Cock. P-E-A-P-C-O-C-K. Cock. Peacock. So national bird of India is peacock. Now I am talking about national flower and national flower is national flower. Flower, flower. So national flower of India is can you recognize this flower? Of course, this is lotus. Lotus, lotus. Lotus, lotus. It is national flower, lotus, and lotus is a flower that grow in the water. So now I am talking about the national aquatic animal. I told you aquatic means water. So our national water animal is dolphin. D-O-L, doll. P-H-I-N, fin. D-O-L, doll. P-H-I-N, fin. So, it's dolphin. Now, the last point is national anthem. Have you ever sing national anthem? We sing it in school, in assembly also. Our anthem. It is spoken all over in India. It's J-A-N-A, Jana. G-A-N-A, Gana, and M-A-N-A, Mana. Jana Gana Mana. So our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. Now I am giving you one activity. So now we found other new words, and these are national flag is tricolor. Speak tricolor. Our national flag is tricolor, and national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It's Jana Gana Mana. Now national animal. So our national animal is T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. National bird is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. National water animal is dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. National fruit, that is mango. M-A-N, man, G-O, go. Mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. And national flower is lotus. Now, you have one thing. You have to draw a sleek rectangle. Now draw a rectangle this side also with sleeping line with 3 stripes. Do one thing. You have to do one activity. Paste here lentils. Lentils means masoor dal, that is orange color. Do this in your notebook. Paste here lentils. It means orange color, masoor dal. And here you can paste rice. It means chawal. And here you have to paste green lentils. It means moong. Green lentils. It means moong dal. And this side you can paste kidney beans. Kidney. It's shaped in like a kidney. So these are called kidney beans. Here you can paste or otherwise brown color also. So this is your first activity, and second activity you have to draw a national bird by pasting. First dip your hand in different color and then make a peacock by pasting your hand, and then you can draw other features also like beak and feet. So you have to do these two activities, national flag and this peacock, hand print peacock. Learn these all spellings. Thank you. Have a nice day.